Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about discipline builds freedom. Discipline feels strict. Discipline builds freedom. Freedom is not chaos. It comes from consistent effort. Small daily choices shape life. Discipline protects your future self. Without discipline goes fate. Without routine, progress slows. Time slips quietly away. Every choice matters. Start young. Set routines. Follow simple habits. Consistency is invisible power. 10 minutes today, repeated daily, beats hours of random effort. Discipline is not punishment. Discipline builds freedom. Build it slowly. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.